Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Cathy and this is Skint Living UK. I've been to Asda and I've spent £6.49. I got 15 items and every single item was reduced price. So I'll show you what I've got. Some of the stuff is going in the freezer and some of the stuff is going in my belly. So yeah, I'll show you what I got. I got a cheapy loaf. This was reduced twice to 15p. So this is going to go in the freezer because it says you can store it in the freezer. So what I tend to do with bread is I make breadcrumbs for burgers to stretch the mincemeat out, and I do a couple of bread and butter puddings. So for the sake of 15p, it goes a long way. I also got some wholemeal pita breads. They were reduced twice to 25p. These will also go in the freezer. It's got the freezer sign there for later use. I bought a big packet of wholemeal wraps. They make nice sandwiches, or you can heat them in the pan and melt some cheese on them. They just make really lovely tasty snacky things, and these were reduced twice to 26p and also can go in the freezer. So what I'll probably do is open the bag and split them up. So there's 8, so I'll probably put 4 in one bag and 4 in another. I just dropped something. I got 4 packets of pancakes. These were reduced twice to 28p. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll leave 2 packets out because my son likes these as well. Even my cat does. So 2 will be scrapped today and the other 2 will go in the freezer. I got some coconut Greek style yogurt. I thought I'd give it a go. It's usually got £1.10 and £1.19 and 83p. So it's not bad. I've saved nearly 40p, just under 40 pence. So I'll give that a go. And what else I'm going to add with them? Strawberries. I've had strawberries and strawberries and strawberries reduced price over the last week or so, so I'm happy about that. I've got 2 of them and they were £1.2. They were reduced twice as well. So I'll have a packet and my son will have a packet. I got some pasta salads. I love these, so what I'm going to do is throw some mayo on and have one shortly, and then I'm going to follow it with some yogurt and some strawberries, and tonight I'll munch my pancakes, and these are 47p. They're usually on the offer 2 for £3.50, and if you buy them individually they're £2, and these were 47. So I'm going to have one today and one tomorrow. So I usually throw a blob of mayo in. But what I've also got is some ham to mix in. I got 3 packets. These were reduced twice. I think they're £1 or £1.9, £1.10, and they were 30p each. So some will go with me pasta, and some I'll probably make a butty as well because I've got the bread there. So I'll probably make a ham butty with some mayo too because I've got 3 packets of ham. So I got some meat, I got some fruit, I got some pasta meals, I got some yogurt, I got pancakes, I got various types of bread, from actual bread to pita bread to wholemeal wraps, and I think that's all really good going, and the price for that was £6.49. So the pancakes were 28p each, the wraps were 26p for 8. I got 6 pita breads for 25p. I got a loaf of bread for 15p. I got 3 packets of ham, 30p each. I got 2 punnets of strawberries, £1.2 each. I got 2 Asda pasta salads for 47p each. And I got a pot of yogurt for 83p. So the biggest thing really, the biggest outlay was the yogurt. So let me know if you've picked up any bargains too. I'm really chuffed. For just over £6, I've got a raft of stuff there that will keep us going over the weekend and next week too. Please like, share and subscribe, and bye for now.